everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. Long time no see. As you can see, I am still recovering. I had my bone graft surgery done October 6th. It's still not healing. We are 3 months out from that. I just keep doing what I'm told to do, and we'll see. In the meantime, I do have an amazing thrift haul to share. This is from a few different trips, but the majority of it is actually from one trip, and I'm coming to you from our basement of our new farmhouse. It's not finished down here. We have really great floors. We have cinder block walls, but that's it. So I'm sitting on cold concrete. That's how much I love you all. So I'm going to go through what I have found. There are some pieces that I already have finished and either put in the store or sold, and I'll try to put them up in the corners as we go along, but I may not remember when I'm editing, so forgive me if I don't show them. So let's just jump right into this and we'll get moving. I've really had a thing for picking up mirrors. During the winter you need that light. We do not have an open floor plan. We do live in a 1920 4-square farmhouse, and it's not open. So in every little nook and cranny that I can, I'm putting mirrors, and for some reason that's led to me buying a ton of them. So I have two that are not here. I'll put them up here. One's a little hexagon that I did, and one's like an elongated one. I've had really good luck selling both of those shapes before. So one is here, and I've had like 3 people interested. I just need someone to show up. And then the other one is actually at the store right now. So I do have 2 of these. You can see my mess, my work table and projects, but I have 2 of these. They've got this, my ceiling. There you go. You can see my old floors. They've got these almost looking nautical look to them. And I do have a pair of those. I will probably stick with that nautical theme and do them like a navy or something and distress back to that color that's on them right now. They're a really heavy resin. I have, these were flour, sugar, coffee, tea containers. I bought a set of 3. There were supposed to be 4. We never did find the 4th one in the store. The liners are here because I have them out right now, but I do have the liners for all of them. So I have the 2 tall ones here still, and I have painted them gray. They were the bamboo color inside with a little bit more of an orangey hue. I did finish one of these, and it is in the store, and hopefully I have a picture of that on my phone, and if I do, I'll put that up above. I paid for the full set of 3 with lids and liners, $4. I don't remember what I paid on the mirrors, the round mirrors. I already removed all the stickers off of everything because some of the stuff I picked up a while ago, and those were one of them. I did pick them up a while ago. So we got 2 candlesticks. These are resin. They have been painted, as you can see, just this lovely coppery, I don't even know what you want to call it. I paid 70 cents a piece for those. One needs glued because it's a little loose. It's a little loose on there, if you can see. I'll get them clamped and glued up and then finished. And like I said, 70 cents a piece on those. I've got a wood bowl. We're gonna make this into a dough bowl. This was just a hand done one. It's got a carving of initials on the bottom. And it's gonna be painted white. It will be distressed back to make it look like an old dough bowl. And this I paid, I wanna say 70 cents for as well. I'm still having issues lifting, sorry. 2 of these, and they're a little different. And let me see if I can hold them side by side. They do hang on the wall. They're from Southern Living Home. I'm gonna paint both of those up and resell those. They're really cute. And we've also got this tin, and this is by Heritage Home, and that will get painted. I think I'm gonna paint right over the tin as well. I said I was on a mirror kick, I'm not lying. So here's another mirror. This has got like a blue stain on it already, so we are gonna go ahead and probably do a milk paint over that and get it chippy so you can see the blue underneath, probably like a white. Again, with the mirrors, this one's made to look like an old window. It's got the little hooks on the bottom. This will probably as well get some milk paint. I'm trying to put these where the cats won't accidentally jump on them. This, give me just a second, and then I will move to the stuff behind me. After this, we got this basket, a tote. Part of it's wood, just cheap cheap wood, really light MDF type wood. And part of it's metal. So this will get painted all one cohesive color. I kind of like it. It'd be cute with some, you know, whether you want to put Tupperware in it, blankets in it, it's cute. I like it. It would actually really be cute in the bathroom too. Over here, this is plastic, and I was originally going to finish this. It's ugly, it's gold, it's disgusting. I was going to finish that and put it in the bathroom behind me on that wall back there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do that still. I want to get a plant back there, and that one's definitely wide enough. I picked up another one from Michael's on clearance, but I don't know if it's going to fit there. So next up, we have this cute male thing, and this is painted. It's called Purple Posy. It's a milk paint. I am going to reupholster this because this does not look right with it now that I got it done. It's got too much of a yellow to it, so I did pick up some new fabric and batting. This was the color of it before, and I will paint the back once we get everything else ready to go. The back will get painted as well. So there's that. And you can see I'm trying to get my craft area and my work area all set up down here. I got a gift card that I bought, this really cute card that's holding my phone right now. But I've got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to get put away and organized. Hasn't been the easiest. Candlesticks. I want to say I paid $1.99 a piece for these. These sell well, and those will get a coat of paint as well as this one. And this was probably the same price or cheaper. I don't remember. And this is an old jewelry box. You know me, I love all the things with the little drawers. Everything pulls smoothly. This is a latex paint on here, so I will probably most likely be painting over it. I may again do a milk paint so it gets chippy and the teal peeks through. I think that'd be kind of cute. And again, another mirror. I have another one like this too. Did I pick up two of these? I can't remember. Oh, I picked up one that's a little square, and I don't know where that one went. I have two of them, so I'll have to find those, but those might be upstairs still. So I've got that one. And another little tote. I liked this one. This has got some hand painting or stamping on it. I will sand that down and then repaint this whole little thing. That would be super cute to hold some napkins for the summer, spring, for outdoors, or even on your dining room table. Maybe a candle, maybe some flowers, some succulents in there. It'd be super cute. This one, we actually touched on this and got it for ourselves. So a lot of the art that we do have in our home are architectural. So it's, we've got one that's got old chippy chairs and rocking chairs, and then we've got one that's an old window with an old bike in front of it. Just, we like that, really, lots of detail. So we got this, and while we love the print and we love the colors, I hate the frame. So the frame will get redone, and then that will actually be for us. And as you can see, more mirrors. So this mirror I paid $4 for. I don't know, let me move the cart. There's an oval one right here, and you can see my mess of a work table. I have end tables, let's see right there. There's end tables waiting to be painted. I don't remember how much I paid for that silver one or for this antique one. I think we may have done 10 or 15. I think it was a marketplace find. It's got the beveled mirror on it. It's heavy, it's beautiful. While I like the detail that shows how they put it together, I may do some air clay molds and put on here for decor in those corners. I have not decided, other than I know it's going to get painted, and that's about it. So I mean, there's other finds if we really want to get into it. We made a trip to Target. I have those wonderful white tins right here. Those have wood lids, and they have been super hard to come by. You can see I'm not unpacked either, guys. I haven't been able to do everything, so my stuff down here has stayed a mess. So we've been slowly trying to get it put back together and how I want it, so I can work down here and we can do puzzles down here. We do have a bedroom down here and another room we're building down here. You can hear my laundry. My laundry's down here. I do have all my paint storage down here right now, and my waxes and stuff like that. So that's all. Some of my tools are in here. Otherwise, we have all my Cricut stuff. My sewing machine and Cricut are over there, including all my vinyl. And then I have all my blanks over here. This is projects that need to be finished. So I've got these all ready to go, and I just haven't gotten a chance to finish them. And so all the stuff I just showed you will actually all be stored on these until I get to them. This has got stamps and molds. That's little embellishments. And I don't know if I'm going to keep them in there or put them on the little cart. I have my cart I'm going to use for tools, for my mats, for my Cricut. I've got ribbons and tapes and all sorts of fun stuff on there. So, but just, yeah, quick little hello, I'm back. I'm trying to be back. I'm trying to get things going, so we'll keep this short and sweet and watch for videos of me redoing all this now that I have my area kind of sort of set up and I can work again. I'm really excited, and I don't have to go out to the garage or take over a dining room table, which is being used for school for the boys. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, ask away. I will answer them. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and please share with your friends. Trying to get this thing rebuilt now. Hopefully that I am done with surgeries, at least for the time being, but I'm trying to rebuild my base of people, and I'd like to see more friends join. So we will see you next time. Bye.